From sun-drenched fields to high-tech bottling lines, every chili undergoes a meticulous transformation, ensuring that... Welcome to one of the world's most advanced chili sauce production facilities. Here, millions of bottles of... It all begins in the fields. These bright red chili peppers have been carefully cultivated for maximum heat and flavor. Expert harvesters select only the ripest chilies. Each pepper is handpicked at peak maturity when the capsaicin...
The harvest is impressive. Tons of fresh chilies picked daily. These peppers will be transformed into hot sauce within hours.
Speed is essential. The chilies are immediately transported to the factory. The faster they move from field to processing, the better the final sauce quality.
The chilies arrive at the factory receiving area. From this point forward, every step is carefully controlled to ensure the highest quality hot sauce. Automated conveyors move the fresh chilies into the factory. This modern facility can process over 50 tons of peppers daily.
The first inspection point. Workers quickly scan the incoming peppers, removing any that don't meet our strict quality standards.
Industrial washing systems clean every pepper thoroughly. High-pressure water jets remove dirt, debris, and any pesticide residue from the field.
The peppers tumble through multiple wash cycles. Gentle agitation combined with continuous water flow ensures every chili is spotlessly clean.
A final rinse with purified water. At this point, the chilies are cleaner than when they were growing in the field. Industrial air knives blast away excess water. The peppers emerge clean and dry, ready for the next stage of processing.
Computer vision technology sorts the peppers. High-speed cameras analyze color, size, and shape, separating chilies into different grades in milliseconds.
Only the finest peppers make it to hot sauce production. Slightly damaged or undersized chilies are diverted to other product lines.
The stems must go. Automated equipment grips each pepper and cleanly removes the green stem, leaving only the flesh we need for sauce.
Seed extraction is optional. Some sauces keep them for extra heat. For our premium blend, we remove most seeds to balance flavor and heat perfectly.
This is what we're after, Tom. Pure chili flesh. Vibrant red, packed with capsaicin, and bursting with that fresh pepper flavor that makes great hot sauce.
The first size reduction. Industrial choppers break down the peppers into smaller pieces, making them easier for the main grinders to process.
Sir. Now the real grinding begins. These massive mills can process thousands of pounds of peppers per hour.
Out comes a smooth, vibrant red paste. The texture is perfect though, no chunks, just pure ground chili ready to become sauce.
Hot sauce is more than just chilies. Vinegar, salt, garlic, and spices are all precisely measured and prepared to create the perfect flavor balance. Fresh garlic adds depth and complexity. Industrial peelers strip the skins, then choppers mince the...
Proprietary spice blends give each sauce its unique character. These might include cumin, paprika, black pepper, or other secret ingredients.
A touch of sugar balances the heat and acidity. It won't make the sauce sweet, but it will round out the flavor profile beautifully.
Everything is measured and ready. Chili paste, vinegar, garlic, salt, spices, and sugar, all precisely portioned according to our time-tested recipe.
The moment of truth breathe. All ingredients enter the mixing tank. Industrial agitators will blend everything into a uniform, flavorful sauce.
Powerful agitators work the mixture thoroughly. Every molecule of garlic, every grain of salt must be evenly distributed throughout the sauce. Multiple batches run simultaneously. This facility produces different heat levels and flavors, from mild to extremely hot, all prepared in parallel. Once approved, the sauce moves to cooking vessels. Heat treatment serves multiple purposes.
The sauce reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature pasteurizes the product while preserving the fresh chili flavor we want to keep.
Steam injection provides gentle, even heating. Unlike direct flame, steam won't scorch the sauce or create hot spots that could damage flavor.
Notice the color change. Cooking deepens the red hue and gives the sauce that characteristic cooked flavor that hot sauce lovers recognize.
Immediate cooling stops the cooking process. We drop the temperature quickly to lock in the flavor we've just developed.
De-aeration removes trapped air. Air bubbles would cause oxidation and shorten shelf life, so we vacuum them out before bottling.
The homogenizer forces sauce through tiny openings at extreme pressure. This breaks down any remaining particles, creating silky smooth texture.
The finished sauce waits in a final holding tank, perfectly cooked, smooth, safe, and ready to be bottled.
While sauce cooks, bottles are prepared. These glass bottles start as molten material and are blown into their final shape right here in the facility.
Fresh bottles emerge from the molds. They're still hot and will be annealed, slowly cooled, to prevent stress cracks.
Every bottle is inspected. Automated vision systems scan for cracks, chips, or imperfections. Only perfect bottles make it to the filling line.
Even new bottles need cleaning. High-pressure water jets rinse away any manufacturing dust or debris, leaving them spotlessly clean inside.
The bottles enter the filling line. They'll be filled, capped, labeled, and packed,
all in one continuous automated process. Precision filling nozzles dispense exactly the right amount of sauce into each bottle. Fill levels must be consistent, not too full, not too empty.
Optical sensors verify every fill. If a bottle is under or overfilled by even a millimeter, it's automatically rejected. Caps are precisely placed. These aren't just any caps, they have heat-resistant liners that will create an airtight seal.
Induction heating melts the cap liner, fusing to the bottle rim. This creates a hermetic seal and provides tamper-evident security. The sealed bottles cool briefly. The liner solidifies, completing the seal. Now the bottles are truly airtight and shelf-stable. The capping machine applies exactly the right amount of torque. Too loose and the sauce could leak. Too tight and consumers can't open them.
Eye-catching labels are printed on demand. Vibrant colors, brand logos, and required nutrition information, all produced right here in the facility.
Every label is checked. Colors must be accurate, text must be sharp, and barcodes must scan perfectly for retail systems.
High-speed applicators wrap labels precisely around each bottle. The label must be straight, centered, and wrinkle-free.
Now they're starting to look like products consumers will recognize. The vibrant labels make these bottles stand out on store shelves. Additional seals go on the neck. These tamper-evident bands provide extra security and give consumers confidence in product integrity. Date codes are essential. Production date, best by date, and batch numbers are all printed for full traceability.
A metal detector scans every bottle. Even tiny metal fragments from worn equipment would be caught and trigger automatic rejection. Weight checks provide another verification of fill level. Each bottle should weigh within a few grams of target weight.
Any bottle that fails inspection is automatically diverted. Rejected units are collected, analyzed to find the problem, and the
approved bottles move to packaging. These have passed every test and are ready to be packed for shipment to stores.
bottles are organized into groups, typically 6, 12, or 24 per case, depending on bottle size. Automated systems count and group them perfectly.
Shipping cases are formed automatically. Flat cardboard is erected into sturdy boxes that will protect the bottles during transport. Bottles are gently placed into cases. Dividers prevent bottles from touching each other during shipping, eliminating breakage.
Heavy-duty tape seals the cases. Multiple strips ensure the boxes stay closed, even with rough handling during shipping. Each case receives labels with product information, quantity, batch codes, and shipping barcodes. Full traceability from factory to store shelf.
Scanners verify every barcode. If a label doesn't scan perfectly, the case is diverted for relabeling before shipping.
Final weight check on complete cases. This verifies the right number of bottles made it into each box before palletizing.
Sealed and labeled cases move to palletizing. They'll be stacked on pallets for efficient storage and shipping.
Standard wooden pallets form the foundation. These platforms allow forklifts to move hundreds of bottles at once.
Robotic arms stack cases precisely. Each layer is oriented differently to create an interlocking pattern that won't shift during transport. Stretch wrap secures the entire load. Multiple layers of tight plastic film bind all the cases together into one stable unit.
The automated wrapper works quickly, applying consistent tension as it spirals upward, each layer overlaid.
A completed pallet holds hundreds of bottles of hot sauce, thousands of servings of spicy flavor, all secure and ready for distribution.
Every pallet gets a unique ID tag. Product type, quantity, production date, destination, all the information logistics needs is right here.
A quick scan records the pallet in the warehouse management system. Now the computer knows exactly what's on this pallet and where it needs to go.
Forklifts move the pallets to temperature-controlled warehouse storage. Hot sauce doesn't need refrigeration, but consistent temperature helps maintain quality. The warehouse is meticulously organized. Pallets are grouped by production date for FIFO rotation, first in, first out, ensuring freshness. Order fulfillment begins with picking. Workers use handheld scanners to locate and select the exact pallets each customer has ordered.
At the loading docks, pallets are staged by route. This ensures each delivery truck is loaded efficiently in the order of its stops.
Delivery trucks arrive on schedule. These vehicles will carry hot sauce to grocery stores, restaurants, and specialty shops across the region. Heavy-duty straps secure the load. Even with careful driving, sudden stops could shift pallets, so everything is firmly anchored.
Between production runs, the entire facility undergoes thorough cleaning. Food safety regulations require complete standards.
Environmental responsibility includes recycling glass cullet, reusing cardboard, and composting organic waste.
As the sun sets on another production day, millions of servings of hot sauce are ready to bring flavor and fire to meals around the world.